and Journal of Access. Remote sensing is the art and science of making of the earth using sensor on airplanes or satellite and geography information system are computer based tools for mapping and analyzing future events of earth. Open access remote sensing journal and GIS are scientific journals that cover various fields in their discipline and report the acquisition of information about an object or without making physical contact with the object. The journal seeks to publish and obtain flexible impact factor with rapid visibility through the prescripts of open access guidelines for world-class research work. Remote sensing and GIS in the best open access journal from London Publishing Seal which aims to publish the most complete and reliable source of information about the finding and the latest developments in original article mode, review article, case report, brief communication. This is journal as an editorial tracking system. Editorial tracking system is an online delivery review system. The reviewer can download the manuscript and send this opinion to the editor. The editor can manage the entry, submission, review, revision, publication process. 2. List of relevant GIS journal. 1. Introduction. Web Basic Geography Information System, or KNOV as WebGIS, is a geographic information system that adds web technology to communication. Geography information systems are part of information systems that are added features of data and spatial analysis. Geographic information systems are geospatial software systems that have the ability to build, study, manage, and display information. 2. Research method. Primary data collection through literature studies, interviews, and observation. Analyzing software requirements, digitizing map with ArcView, such as the final creation of geography information system where web objects are visited. 3. Result and discussion. Geography information system processing can be divided into two parts, namely client processing and the server processing. The client part is a web browser and the server part consists of web server, geography information system, web application, and database. 4. Conclusion. The results showed that in the development of web-based geographical information system to map the location of planes. 5. Suggestion. The location coordinate of boarding house location must be complete valid because this is related to the location of boarding house location arranged in the form of an online map. 6. Daftar Pustaka. 3. Journal of Geographic Information System. Geography Information System is a field of science that discusses geography that can be applied in various fields of institution, for example in the fields of military, medical, education to agriculture. The benefits of GIS in general provide information that is close to real-world conditions, prediction, rules, and strategic planning. One of the benefits of Geographic Information System is the mapping of students in the Facultas of Engineering Muhammadiyah University Ponorogo. Mapping students is done by utilizing map provided by Google. The Google Maps API. Google Maps is a free service provided by Google. Google Maps is a map of the world that we can ask to see an area. In other words, Google Maps is a map that can be viewed using a browser. We can add Google Maps features on the web that we have created or on our blogs that are paid or free even with the Google Maps API. The Google Maps API application is a library in the form of JavaScript. The result of this study indicate that the extent of the Faculty of Engineering, University Muhammadiyah Ponorogo is still around the